As we count down to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Welcome everyone to the Brides of Triton Wedding Expo 2025 here at J-Park Island Resort and Water Park, Bataan.
Weddings are more than just a ceremony. They are a celebration of love, individuality, and the unique journey that leads two people to say, I do. Now on its 4th edition, the Brides at Triton Wedding Expo celebrated the theme, Embrace You, and kicked off with a grand opening ceremony featuring a ribbon cutting, expo tour, an intimate dance performance by the Amigos, and a celebrity couple talk with Juancho Trevino and Joy Spring Trevino at the Triton Grand Ballroom of J Park Island Resort on March 15 to 16, 2025.
How were you able to craft the perfect wedding? How was it like? Pick a good husband is the first step.
If you're asking me what's the #1 tip for having a happy wedding day, it's really to pick the right suppliers, the right people who will support you and enable you to just enjoy the moment.
Every soon-to-be-wed couple was guided every step of the way in their wedding planning journey and in connecting with top-tier wedding suppliers, from jewelry, gowns, cakes, food and drinks, to giveaways.
As we've gone forward into 2025 now, each year we make it more exclusive, inclusive, where there's more suppliers. So instead of walking around or driving around town to see 3 florists and 3 designers, you can come to one spot and see them all right here. And that makes it easier for the wedding couple to get things planned, done quickly, and more, making sure they cover every base. And so I think that's the big thing for the Brides of Triton Expo. So I think that's what everybody loves about it.
A new feature this year was the introduction of workshops that celebrated individuality, including wine tasting and food pairing, crafting clay masterpieces, flower arrangements, and marriage counseling.
It's really been fun, and we're super grateful to J Park for having us. And we had a great time preparing for this workshop, working with Chef Yifan to come up with a menu that pairs well with some of our favorite wines from D+B. So it's really been a fun experience, and I really hope that the participants enjoyed the workshop as much as we did preparing for it.
In honor of National Women's Month, 8 of Cebu's remarkable female designers also took center stage with their stunning wedding gown creations. Claudia Young, Pinky Magalona, Rachel Rama, Iksha Escario, Yoko Sato, Valerie Alves, Jessica Owano, and Marichu Tan. One of the featured women designers and founder of Beza Wear, Claudia Young, expressed her heartfelt gratitude not only for showcasing her wedding creations, but also for unveiling her Sea collection by Beza against the serene backdrop of the Turtle Garden at J Park Island Resort.
I'm very proud and happy and glad that I found people that support me, and I'm very happy for each woman that I celebrate tonight and share this moment with them.
With the success of the brides at Triton Wedding Expo 2025, J Park Island Resort's Area Director of Sales Antoniette Almido looked back on its humble beginnings in 2022 and how the event has grown bigger and more inspiring. She also invited all future wedded couples to be part of next year's celebration.
We're very happy because this is the 4th year. So the Brides at Triton has transformed from being mostly a fashion show and now to a full-blown expo. And we're glad, like last year we had over 60 exhibitors and now we've grown to 85 exhibitors and growing. So we hope to see you next year, March 21, 22, 2026 for the Brides at Triton 2026.
This has been Joanne Clarice Espinosa for My TV Cebu.